Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about boost your career with 6 networking strategies for growth. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Effective networking can significantly advance your career by expanding your connections and opening new opportunities. 1. Leverage LinkedIn. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills and accomplishments. Regularly post relevant content, engage with industry groups, and connect with professionals in your field. 2. Attend industry events. Participate in conferences, seminars, and workshops related to your industry. These events offer opportunities to meet key players, learn about industry trends, and make valuable connections. Be proactive in starting conversations and exchanging contact information. 3. Join professional associations. Become a member of professional organizations relevant to your field. These associations provide access to exclusive networking events, resources, and industry insights. 4. Seek informational interviews. Request informational interviews with industry leaders or professionals you admire. These meetings offer valuable insights into their career paths and advice for your own. 5. Follow up regularly. After meeting new contacts, follow up with a personalized message or email. Express appreciation for their time and suggest ways to stay in touch or collaborate. 6. Offer help and value. Be proactive in offering support or sharing resources with your network. Providing value to others fosters goodwill and establishes you as a helpful and knowledgeable contact. Conclusion: by integrating these strategies into your networking efforts, you can enhance your career growth and expand your professional opportunities. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.